Now stepping in the world of T ratios for calculus part. Now limits of trigonometric functions. Now before going for the trigonometric functions, let us go with few theorems. Okay. So theorem number 1, what this states, let a function of x, fx and gx be two real valued functions okay. Let fx and gx be two real valued functions with the same domain same domain such that fx is less than is equal to gx for all x. Then for some value a, okay, then for some value a, now suppose here it is x is equal to a. Then for some value a, if limit x approaches to a fx and limit x approaches to a gx exists, then limit x approaches to a fx is less than is equal to limit x approaches to a gx. This is the first theorem. Okay. Now when we have taken one of the value a, so we will be having now like this. Now to this we can write it y is equal to a function of x and y is equal to fx. Now result being the same for both the parts, result being the same, so that's why we can write it y a function of fx and function of gx at x is equal to a are equal.